The standing seam VentSaver mounting plate is a great solution if you need to install one of our VentSavers on a standing seam panel. So it's attached with 4 of our non-penetrating clamps that lock onto the seams. They don't screw through the panel. So the plate kit itself is actually this plate, which is solid aluminum, and then the VentSaver mounts straight down onto the plate. This ramp that's included with this trim strip, this is what lets the snow and ice come up over top of the ramp to be broken up by the VentSaver itself. And this is what protects the pipe. And then the VentSaver also protects the top of the pipe. But the trim strip at the bottom of the ramp, that keeps from scratching the panel, and then the snow and ice will flow over the plate for you. So these are available in 2 sizes. Model 1216 fits standing seam up to 16 inches, and then the model 1224 fits standing seams up to 24 inches wide.